You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
Before we get started, I'd like to thank the Coldest Water for sponsoring this video. The Coldest Water bottle is awesome. I am still carrying it with me everywhere I go. I keep it in my car mostly. It keeps your beverage cold for up to 36 hours. Comes in a variety of colors and sizes. I, of course, like this small one because I can take it everywhere I go. So if you would like to get yours, use my promo code Bliss to get 10% off your entire order. And without further ado, let's get started.
Alone in this house, there's no one left around. Alone through my glass.
Peace, lovies. It's Amira, also known as Blissfully Mindful, back at you with another Blissful Chit Chat Sunday video. How are you all? If you have not already done so, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that you know when I post. I post all things blissful. You know, things to keep you inspired and motivated and going and focused, you know. So I'm not doing much today. I'm just kind of chillaxing, running, well, not really running errands. I'm about to go to the store because I always need to go to the store, it feels like, you know, but need some more fresh produce. So yeah, about to go to the store, do that. I have major life transitions happening right now, which I will share with you all soon. Just a lot of stuff going on. I told you I'm doing reconstructive surgery on my life because, you know, everyone's life is kind of turned upside down, and I'm just reorganizing some things and revamping and going in some new directions. I cannot wait to share with you all soon. So how are you all doing? Let me know in the comments below what changes you're making. in your life right now? Because I'm sure there's a bunch of you out there. I'm not the only one making all these changes in my life. I know that for a fact. I mean, I even know some other people that are, but you know, how are you all readjusting and staying focused? Someone asked me that the other day, how do you stay focused? And I don't really have I have some little things that I do to stay focused. I am a chart queen. You know, I like to chart out things. And like, so if I have something I'm working on in my life, like right now I have this major life transition, so I have a whole chart. You know, I've charted it out. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and then within each phase I have what step 1 is, what step 2 is, what you know, what are all the detailed steps in each phase, you know. So what that helps me do, it helps me stay focused, and it gives me a sense of accomplishment, and it keeps me confident that it's feasible, because every time I do something in the phase, I put a check mark beside it. And then, you know, once you start putting all these check marks, you're starting to see all these check marks, you're getting closer to your goal. And that helps me stay focused. I daydream on that chart. I look at that chart, I stare at it, I just absorb it. I put a lot into making the chart, you know, very meticulous, very strategic, everything. Of course I make changes to it here and there, but yeah, I'm a chart queen. So for me, charts keep me focused, they keep me motivated. They keep me inspired to just keep doing what I'm doing and knowing that I'm going to get to reaching my goal. And every time I do that, I reach the goal every single time. I've never done it and it didn't work. So I'm just sharing this because someone asked me and I was figuring, well, you know, maybe someone else out there may need to know too, maybe but that's my tip. That's how I stay focused, because once I make that chart, it's almost like, once I write it down, for me, that makes it real, and nothing and nobody is going to convince me that it's not real, you know. And so I don't get distracted. Nothing gets me sidetracked. I just stay focused, like laser focused. And I mean, when I say I stare at that chart, like every day I stare at that chart. I don't care if I've had the hardest, the roughest, the toughest, the most challenging, the most trying day. I go back and turn that chart on. I look at that chart and I start feeling inspired again. Sometime I'll look at some videos. I just do what I need to do to stay inspired and stay motivated. If ever I feel myself going down in a slump, I just will quickly do something to get back on track, to get my mood on track, to get my emotions and my vibrational frequency back on track. Just always very aware, very consciously aware of my energy at any given time to know whether I'm, you know, straying and going off track. And so then that way I could bring myself back on track. So that's what I do to stay focused and stay motivated and stay as blissful as I can. You know, as I always say, I'm on a journey to become blissfully mindful. I'm not necessarily, you know, there. And it's a life journey. That's why we're all here. We're all here to do what we're here to do. And I think that's what I'm here to do. I mean, obviously I was drawn to it, so that must be what I'm here to do. So that's my focus, you know, just maintaining blissful mindfulness all the time. So, you know, that's about it, you all, for this week. I hope that helps someone out there. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Welcome to the family. I do everything I can to keep you all motivated and inspired, and I hope I'm doing a good job. Let me know in the comments below. You know, hit that like button, let me know. Hit the like button, comment below on if I'm doing a good job at it. I'm going to, before I go, so I might take like a brief break from the Blissful Chit Chat Sundays for maybe like 2 to 3 weeks or something, just because I'm just making a really major life transition and I got a lot going on. I'm still going to be posting, but I just may do like an extra morning meditation video because I know you all love those. So I'll probably just make that instead of the Blissful Chit Chat Sunday for maybe a couple, 2 to 3 Sundays instead. If I can pop in, I will, because you know I don't like to stay away from you all. I'll do what I can to not have to do that. If I have to, though. Okay. Just giving you all a heads up. So you're not like, oh my God, where'd she go? Like, I didn't go anywhere far. Just, you know, just trying to get stuff in order and whatnot. I got a lot going on in my life. You know, just all these changes, just shifting everything around. and whatnot, and I cannot, oh my god, I can't wait to share it with y'all, but it's coming. All right, so anyway, I love you all. Sunflower smooches, peace and love. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Turn on your post notifications. Also follow me over on Instagram at blissfully.mindful. Also go by my blog, blissfullymindful.life. I love you all. Sunflower smooches, peace and love. Mwah.